iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Orlando Pirates 1. Best game of the season by far. Exhibition of South African football, beautiful, scintillating. A man who's played for both Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. He was so good for Pirates that he scored the most goals in their history ever, Tso Vilakazi. I'm sure he was conflicted. Orlando Pirates, he didn't know which one to celebrate, but you celebrate good football. So, I mean, I don't think we'll ever see something as beautiful as this. Sundowns approachable from the first minute, scoring goals, clinical, Pirates on the counter. It's exactly what you guys predicted. I remember Nkuluma Al-Akhli Bengazi, and you said Sundowns. I was like, yo, no, you can't just say Sundowns. It's gonna be it's gonna be competitive. It can't be just Sundowns, but it was easy today, very easy.
Mkhulise wena mfethu ngibulise uJuna ngibulise uDrake
Drizzy
ngibulise uJustice
Stizi
ngibulise nanemakhaya ukuthi cela support njalo zobeka njobe njalo ngeke ngijike futhi iminwana phezulu
Kabuyelo
ya Nkuleko okokuqala nje there's people ekufanele bafayiniwe bafayiniwe really very good game Sundowns all the departments from the goalkeeper, defense, fullbacks, central midfielder, attacking midfielders, the front three, everything was spot on. Gulego, mazodlala Sundowns, you military panzu kabang play negahle because it's not an easy team to play against. Mongabheka play up. Yazi kunzima ukukhuluma ngabo manje because everything was spot on. Ama goal ngithe mina Nkuleko mayidlala esanimangena uKekana ngathi mina njobe uKekana angena usandile ntsabheke ngoba le ndoda inokumsondela.
I remember you said
le ndoda le nokumsondela le ndoda le abheke.
That's exactly what happened.
Exactly, because I know ukuthi at some point, there were movement where ubona ukuthi manje sebalapha iboxing, they just bashota ngalo umuntu abazomlela ashaye. And that's what happened. Ilega Shalulile, it was like wow. So makayile what? So I knew ukuthi njoba ibeka so ukuthi sekunjalo kanti vele hleli kuye. Kuleko Sundowns coaches, well done. I always say ama changes wenenwenzayo sometimes our justify good, why do we make ama changes anjalo? Today, ama changes when we spot on. Bengihlala ngisho lana even nakunkuleko ngithi mina why is Sundowns technical team yabo bangayenza ukuthi uDomingo no Kapinga kuba matche ama sub ka Mshishi no Sereno. And today you guys did very well. Ndema ngikhipha Sereno nafaka uKapinga. And the
standard was maintained.
Look, Gulega move. Actually, I know that maintained, but Kupuga by Pesu. Because the two players that they came in, if you look at the goal, a Kapinga. Let us put to Sonke, it's corner la people sin. But that boy who could tele head up, choose a spot. I mean, Gulegos Funan, Mara. Sometimes we snow funes in Yizido. Masisi's bonus ngafuna ukuvuma. Look, Sundowns Mshishi the past few games bengasilo Mshishi lo besimjwayele. We like Mshishi man is off form baze bamkeep na technical team. But today Kuleko ngizokhuluma elinye igama manje. And I want South Africans to watch this boy. This boy he play yakhe inkhumbuza uXavi Barcelona.
Wow.
Mkhulise. Mafito. Azivumile mafito.
One of the criticisms that we had about him was that he doesn't make enough box entries and akadlali close to the line. Yes. But in the last few games, I remember even against Tshakuma, he even scored. He enters the box. He's playing forward now. He's not playing comfortable passes. You always have these players, Abotandoyise Kuboni, who play here and here and here and here. But now he's more charging forward. He's entering those dangerous spaces. He's improving.
Nkuleko, I want to mangithi Shafi. Xavi, it was rare for him to score goals. But umsebenzi wakhe in the midfield. Wow. This boy today, you know, if Bengasumshish, I was going to give him man of the match. That boy for me was like everything it was perfect. You know, Uma position right, he's covering on the right time. You know, he's playing passes, do combination with his teammates, supporting, coming back in terms of helping Rivaldo, Lapayana, Nomaboya. When they win the ball, he's there. You know, Xavi, he was a player who would understand what type of football is he playing. But he was playing a very important job in the team. Mkhulise. Yes, we were saying no, but boxing.
Yeah.
You know, analyze. You know, is that type of Xavi where it's rare to see him boxing, you know? But when he gets to that box, we are going damage call. So that boy today, wonderful. Pirates in Gulego, there was only way to play transition. They don't have the midfielders. They can't to build up. Aksama really ball players where you can see Tata Lape move bo chele by build up by la pan. No. Manga perane goal Pirates. That's a long ball from the back. Yeah, the Pambi. So Baloba is a transition, and I said it to good team. Sundowns, they will see it. And Bazo Bon, okay, Mamelani, because of Bafonu Dala Lendole, Ngoba, the Gangam Landeli, Umren Magakupo, he was cheating. So now yes, and Sundowns, but okay, Rivaldo. As soon as it's attack, instead of you, now join the let these two stretch. Uderogu no libus. Stretch, and then when ungene la phansi kwabo. Then so valile that position for Mhango. Uvalile uauto because bokumuntu bekahlala vele adraw back ayimuva yo mark. So kusikusele uMabasa. That's why uMabasa sekunda bekangabonakali bengathi intwana encane uyafundiswa ibhola. Kuthi no boy makumakiwe uchase kanje. Makumakiwe uchase kanje. Awudlali wena. We're just chasing nje kuphela because ayikida yenzile.
You can't blame him because he's a finisher. That's his style. He relies on everyone else to play and then bamnike bola and in finishes. And he scores goals. Yes. So I wouldn't really blame him. Let's look then at the implication of what happened today. Orlando Pirates, you could say maybe 30% possession and Sundowns 70, give or take. Sundowns now in the semi-final against the Tshakuma. I know we'll shoot preview videos tomorrow. Is this another one for Sundowns in the bag? Because I mean, the teams that are left now, Pretoria Kellis, Chippa United, Tshakuma Bandera, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns is better than all those teams remaining in the competition. Is this another trophy in the bag for them?
Ngulego, no doubt. The only team Mina Bengisho will give Sundowns a tough time on the Pirates.
Yeah, for sure.
But Sundowns today, but they're above the limit. The way they played, all the players, they put effort, technical team, everything was spot on. So Mazo Landi Tshakuma, unless Mazo change the lineup.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Mazo change the lineup.
Players.
Yeah, with the Kabe Babusela Abanye Benzin. Yeah, but if Sundowns will go again with this lineup, Gulego, Shalulile. You know, Manga Kuma was Shalulile going to figure this season for Sundowns. A lot of people, they will say, no, we lie.
Yeah.
That guy is like, he's been there for years. For years. He knows when to run. He knows when to delay, when to pass, when to... You know, Gulego, it is why Sundowns, man, I don't know, but in the years of E1 is, Rome was not built in one day. And if we want our football, like South Africa, still like the football during Sundowns, as we can't cut short, cut them corners.
Sure.
We need to go straight. Gulego, I'm happy. You know why I'm happy? Now I live, I'm politic. I just leave it to the best people. Gulego, we always undermine our own coaches in South Africa. We believe with overseas, they are better than us. uZimbawe uphuma le angeke ngikhuluma indaba yehistory yakhe uphuma eGermany. Now I'm a local coaches. Look at the type of football. Ithini kithi as South Africans when we see our very own coaches and then hammering coach wangaphandle. So it tells you ukuthi as South Africans we know ukuthi football lethu mele ibe njani. We just need to believe in our coaches and support them. Labantu ngikhuluma ngabo angikhulumi ngokuthi ngikhuluma yazi nokusho bathi abomadala ku coaching because they've been there years so they know whatever. Beka those coaches abalapha Steve Kompela Manqoba Mncidi uRulani. Those coaches are still young. And look at the football. So just imagine after 10 years from now, experience abazobe banayo those coaches ingakanani. Who's going to stop them now? So iyabonisa nkuleko ukuthi when we believe in our own, you know, they will deliver. Look, badlala Champions League labantu. Bashaya iTP Mazembe bayenza ngathi team yanencane. Now our own team that is big in South Africa, not even South Africa, in Africa, the Pirates. You know, they hammered Pirates 4. And look at, they dominated the game. Not good by game. Goal in Japan. No, that chance go. No. You could see goal by Isa. They build up, they play, the movement, passing. You could see a goal. So it tells you Muguti Sundowns, these coaches keep up the good work. Yeah. We always hammering our own coaches. Yes, when you are not doing the right things. But when you're doing the right things, we need to come up and be vocal to say, you coaches, you're doing what we love. So, I love this type of football. You know, there's goals, there's movement, there's playing. Good level. No doubt. Tshakuma against Sundowns. I don't know.
Let's reserve the predictions for tomorrow. Masisbambe predictions for tomorrow. But yeah, man, I don't think there's anyone who hates seeing good football. I know a lot of people are fans. They are fans of their football clubs. They only watch their football club maybe for 5 minutes, some highlights, and then that's the end of them when it comes to football. But if you are a loyal, geek in football, you just love football. It wouldn't hurt you to watch this. I was celebrating this. I was celebrating the goals, the movement, and I never grew up supporting Sundowns, just to put that out of the way, but it was so beautiful. We sell a newspaper called iDiski Times. It's only R3.50 every Tuesday. It's both in isiZulu and English. We have a website, idiskiTimes.co.za, where you catch your football news. We have 100,000 people that follow us, close to 110,000 people that follow us on Facebook, close to 80,000 people following us on YouTube as well. We're sponsored by a brand called World Sports Betting. They are on WSB.co.za, WSB.co.za. We thank you very much for watching this video.